Hey, it's Dr. Shark, your friendly neighborhood colorectal surgeon. Have you ever been hangry? That's where you're so hungry that your children are scared to approach you. You know, the hormone that causes this hangriness. And a lot of people think it's blood sugar. Oh, my blood sugar's low, and this is why I'm so hungry, and this is why I'm so just outraged. As it turns out, you can achieve this hangry state long before your blood sugar goes down, unless you are on an artificial hypoglycemic or you're diabetic or some other issue. The hangry stage hits before your blood sugar gets low. And that's due to a particular hormone called ghrelin. Ghrelin is a hormone that is produced by your stomach. And when the stomach is empty, it is produced to tell your body, hey, stomach's empty. Can you show us some love? Give me something to eat, Seymour. And so ghrelin will override your blood sugar, and it will override sort of your finances and your emotions, and because it is a hormone, it's very difficult to offset. One of the beauties of stomach surgery, when we do restrictive surgery, is that it seems to turn off this ghrelin signal, or it mutes it. And these injectable medications that you do for weight loss are doing the same thing. They are blunting this ghrelin response, among other things. But it just tells you not to be hungry. And in a natural situation, without the surgery, without the medications, you can actually turn off this ghrelin by doing a couple of things. So listen very closely. High protein diet every 3 hours from the time you wake up until right before you go to bed. Start with your protein first. These are small little 150 to 200 calorie meals that you're going to do 6 times a day. If you're a man, it's going to be more like 250 calories 6 times a day. But so you're going to do these small little half-size meals. Start with the protein first. Get yourself 80 to 120 grams of protein in your day. So lots of protein in each of those meals. Number 1. Number 2, get sleep. There's something about the sleep process that resets a lot of these hormones in your body and your adrenal glands. Mitigate your stress. Okay. Again, the adrenal glands is a hormone, can override some of this process. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. And avoid the artificial, non-nutritive fillers in everything that you do, including your supplements, your vitamins, your food. Try to get rid of some of these artificial colors, these flow agents, and whatnot, because they have a tendency to screw up your metabolism a little bit. So that is your homework to get rid of the hangry, is as best as you can, as naturally as you can. As you can see, I'm on a pretty important mission to spread the word, and you can help me by subscribing to our channel, sharing it with friends, hitting that notification button, and finding me on other social media channels such as YouTube and Rumble at Dr. Anna Toker, and I hope to see you there.